welcome back to my channel, Ajaria Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I am doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be installing another lace front for you guys. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. All right, I got everything set up beside me, and as I do as well, have my wig over here ready and prepped to be put on my head. I have my bald cap on, and I have already some prep powder on it so it can blend in well with the lace. And so I'm going to go ahead and do the next step, which is apply my glue with my rat tail silicone. So okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. It's looking a little crazy because I got bobby pins, but we gonna fix it and we gonna make it look good. guys, so this is the finished product. It's having a little hard time, but I got it. I got it. Definitely looks really good. I love my edges. Definitely the best part because they look more natural. Look at that. Look at that. Love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.